Here we are, 1 year mark after what we will consider a repair from previous surgeries by the same clinic. The plan by that clinic was to use the strip and FUE strictly using only head donor to restore a Norwood 6 area. When somebody is Norwood 6, you want to do a credible restoration with a hairline that looks reasonable. You should not look to using only the head hair. The use of non-head hair should begin rather early in the process. This is an example to serve as a lesson as to why this approach of using only head hair for somebody who has significant hair loss is not an advisable approach. By the time the patient saw us, he was donor depleted, still had the strip scar, and of course had a lot of area to cover because the baldness is still very much evident. At that point, justifiably so, the patient was already disillusioned. It took quite a bit, a leap of faith to take that jump and decide to go with the Dr. U graft procedure, which I performed. In total, roughly 6,500 grafts were used. Very few of those grafts came from the head to help us with blending, but most of the hair came from the beard and the chest. There is no indication that he's lost beard hair. That's because we extract this hair diffusely.
As Dr. Umar said, this was definitely a leap of faith. It was going to be my 5th procedure. After doing due diligence for about 3 or 4 years, it was really my last hope. And it was honestly the best decision that I've made in my life because the results speak for themselves. What you see here is what I have: no concealer, no tampering, nothing. Dr. Umar did not restore my hair. He restored my life. As a business owner, I have, obviously employees working for me. They've kind of been through the process with me from the get-go. As the results kept coming in, especially more recently when I hit the year mark, they were just in disbelief. They told me that they heard a lot of negative things about this industry, but this procedure and this result that I have has proven otherwise. They just told me it looks absolutely incredible. There's no indication of hair loss. People always try to monetize certain things in life, but this is something that you cannot monetize. This restoration, as we call it, has literally given me my life back. And I want to thank you for that. To all the people who are viewing this video who are considering going through hair restoration surgery, if you choose to do a procedure, you're going to be one happy individual if you choose Dr. Umar.